Hi everyone, this is Gia and I welcome you to Chat GPT solutions to HR problems. Today I will talk to you about the Chief Human Resources Officer position and its role in a company. If you saw the previous videos in this playlist, you probably got the hang of what Chat GPT can do for you, but if you haven't, I can just give you a brief example. So you can ask anything you want to this AI and it will give you brief and clear answers. For example, what does a Chief Human Resources Officer do? And I chose this question specifically because I want to put you in the perspective of a director or a vice president in human resources that has the goal to become a chief and so wants to have a clear understanding of the position. So it tells you that the responsibilities of a CHRO include HR planning, talent acquisition and management, employee relations, training and development, performance management, compensation and benefits, compliance and risk management, and HR technology and analytics. And it also tells you that overall the CHRO plays a critical role in shaping the organization's culture, driving employee engagement, and supporting business success throughout effective management of human capital. So this is the most important position in human resources, if you didn't know that. And so it's really important to know what it takes to be up there, right? So let's imagine that you actually became a CHRO and have a very big task to complete, like the one I'm about to point out. So, for example, I am the CHRO for Best Furniture and we are arranging a merger with IKEA, including the implementation of a new software system. What steps should I take to ensure a smooth process for my employees? And again, it will give you an answer right away. And so it starts saying that implementing a new software system, especially during a merger, can be a significant change for employees. Here's some steps you can take to ensure a smooth process. I'm sure you know that putting a new software where you're merging with another big company, it's a risk, but it's also something that can really help you in the long run. So it tells you that you should communicate transparently, keep employees informed about the merger and the implementation, then provide training and support. Of course, you have to train people, they're coming together with a new company that probably has a different way to manage things. So it's important to, get everybody on the same page. Involve employees in the process, as I just said, involve them, let them know what's going on, let them know what the changes will be, let them know what to expect. Customize the implementation plan, address resistance and concerns, provide ongoing support, celebrate milestones, evaluate and adjust. So by following these steps, you can help ensure a smooth process for your employees as you implement the new software system in preparation for the merger with IKEA. I'm sure that also if you became chief, you already have years of experience in the field and you probably already know this. But I really think that it doesn't hurt to read one more opinion to make sure it's in line with yours. So that was all for today. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.